Well, the front ring gear must have stripped down. This one's doing good. Listen to this thing now. It's on cruise control. Now this one's turning. Not doing anything. Either side. So, looks like I either have to rebuild the 44 or swap in that Dana 60 from that Super Duty. Looks like it'll be sitting here till some more snow melts. Pull it out with the Bobcat. Sucks. Listen to this monster though. Well, that sucks. Time here in a few days. We definitely do have to replace that radiator. Let's let her cool down. Well, just letting her cool down. Take her around with us tomorrow. Just trying to back it back in. Slowly cooling down. Yeah, whatever. At least we can still drive it in two-wheel drive. Might as well unlock these, keep it from doing more damage. Two, or out of four. So there went the Dana 44. Well, I'll have to rebuild that this summer. Or swap in an older 78, 79 Dana 60. Those are direct bolt-ins. I do need new leaf springs anyways. I did plan on swapping this out because the ring gear did have a lot of slop. I had planned on either probably just putting a bearing kit in it since it hadn't stripped out yet, but now I think it did. Or either it broke a U-joint. I don't think it broke a U-joint. It's not going to break a U-joint going through snow. I was just trying to gently back it in. So that's fine. There's the Super Duty chassis there. I don't think I really want to swap in that stuff with this because I'd have to redo all of my steering components and I had to modify the frame for that, and I don't want to do that again. I think I'd rather just find a good Dana 60 from a 78, 79, 250 four-wheel drive with matching 410s. And I'd probably get 4-inch hijacker leaf springs for the front because mine are worn out and it does tilt down on the front quite a bit. So that'll fix that right up. That's no big deal. I should be able to get this in the barn tomorrow. Spend 30 minutes with Bobcat cleaning its tracks, maybe hook a chain to it, and it'll pull it right up in there. So that's no big deal. You know, it did sound pretty cool under load though. I've never been out of the truck with the wheels turning like that. Yeah, it was going just fine through all that, just backing it up nice and easy, and then it just stopped. Not a lot of belt slop. Should be cooled down. Yeah, that's good enough. Rather it be back in there tonight, but it'll get there tomorrow.